Okay, we're here in Lewistown and unloaded the truck. It was filled to the max. Even had to leave one can of paint home. I decided I'm not going to paint on the roof, so I didn't need it. So I decided that this is my first thing I'm looking at. And it's really strange. This board right here is crooked compared to the cement blocks. Now, at one point, this was a porch, an open porch. Then it was enclosed, and it was probably open underneath. I'm guessing by these two pillars here, and then in between was filled in, right there. But why is it so crooked? So, the first thing I think about, and I've already removed some boards. They put fillers in to try to even it out, which is just, it just doesn't look good. So we have the roof over it now. So I've been thinking about this off and on since we were here last. And the thought occurred to me, instead of trying to make it straight, trying to, let's say, fix it, what if I go with the slant and make it a design feature? So with that in mind, I'm tearing things apart, seeing what we got to work with here. What's rotten, how bad is it rotten? And then I'm going to decide what to do. And I may make it a design feature. So exactly what I mean by that, I have a vision, but rather than trying to describe it, and I don't know if it's going to work, I'm going to keep ripping things apart until I'm down to what I like, and then we may even have to rip into this, or maybe from there over we'll do separate, because it is a separate wall there. And I may need to rip out this over here by the door. That needs to all be ripped out, so I might as well rip that out. That'll be separate too, but the thing is, if I can get these fixed, then I can finish off my corner. So that's the goal right now, is let's see what we got to work with here. Let's come up with a fix or a design feature that makes it look cool, and let's get going on it. So I did do the moldings, and I did do the tops for these windows. So the next step will be to start putting the insulation in, get that all insulated in there, and then I can start putting that on too. Okay, get going.